That. Do it a little louder. Yeah, that's what it was. Which room are you at? You know what's crazy?
What?
So, whenever you were getting ready to say you were testing it, I was going to tell you try a left room.
Well,
Dead serious. It sounded like it was to the left.
are those people gone? Oh, my gosh.
What?
Stop. So it's not just behind me.
Are you sure?
Stop following. Yeah, I can hear him walking when I walk.
I'm visually hearing it myself. It sounds like an extra set of footprints.
Extra footsteps?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're walking behind me. I don't know why they like to mess with me so much. I'm down.
Alright, I'll walk with you down here.
Do what?
I'll walk with you down here. They love my energy. Just completely leave Dylan. We just completely left Dylan.
He seems to be okay.
Oh, he's loving this. I can tell. So which room?
Keep going.
I'm missing the one in the middle there.
No, it's the one at the very end. We were just talking. We left Dylan.
I was like, Dylan's having fun.
Listen to this. So I walk in this bathroom down here. I see it in the mirror and start recording because you know sometimes you put stuff up behind you. My phone, my hands weren't anywhere near any of my buttons. The video stops and deletes itself. I am pissed because my whole video from in here gone. Something stopped my video and it just deleted.
So we just found our noise from the last time we were here, the slam.
Oh.
And she was down there. She went straight to the room and it sounded exactly like the noise, and then something started following her down the hallway.
You could hear an extra, and I just saw something go by the window. So we're in the right spot, and right around here somewhere is where he heard the cough too. We
Me?
both heard it actually.
And you know what's funny? The smoke patio is to your right. That's
It's
what
a
that.
lot warmer in here.
That's what that would be. Yeah, kind of warm a little bit. Frost. So what was the drawer? What was the drawer? Huh? Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna take a break.